Hey Dina, for today, I'm going to do Gimkit. So if the link that I send you doesn't work, just kind of follow these instructions. So just log in, log in, and then just hit the Google button, and then just sign in with my right there, my school one here. How do I move this here? Yeah. All right, and then there's going to be a kit right here where it says Mr. Lane is sick. So what I do is probably break it into like right here. So I hit this play live button. Hopefully the link I send you works. The classes go by super quick, so they're literally like a half an hour. So I do like 2 10-minute games there. So they kind of feel like kind of a fun thing here. All right, so we're gonna do Fishtopia, which is like this new one. Have you done Fishtopia? So we'll try this Fishtopia one. It's a new game. I think the kids love this one. So we'll hit continue. All right, we'll do 10 minutes. Here. All right, then we'll hit continue. It's loading. It's loading. Still loading. All right, and so this will be their game code that they kind of put up here. And then so for them, I'll put it in Clever, but most of them know how to just have them Google Play Gimkit. And then make sure they put in their real names here. All right, so then this will load here. It'll look like this. This is their game code. They're going to type in this game code 838582. 838582. Hit join. Type in Mr. Lane. Go back here. Oops. Right here. I should say Mr. Lane is in there. So it says waiting for players. Where is it? Usually their names will pop up here. All right, so maybe wait for more than one player. All right, so make sure they use their name there. So you can try different versions of this. If they like this one, just do this one again. This is a fun version here, but hopefully this. See, there I am. There's Mr. Lane popping in there, and you can hover over them if they don't have their name, and just kick them out, and have them re-enter their name there. All right, so this is trying this game out here. Have fun with it. Hopefully the class goes by quick, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you for everything this week. You have been a godsend. All right, thank you.